What's happening? This is Jason at Cryptocurrency Orchard. Welcome to the show. In these shows, what you'll find is cryptocurrency investing made simple. Now, this isn't a show for techies. I'm not a techie. I don't know how to code or anything like that. This shows people like me who want to use cryptocurrency and crypto assets as an investment vehicle to make some money. So if that's you, then stay tuned, subscribe, get ready for some great content that I've got for you inside this week's episode. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I want to share something that's that's probably one of the biggest questions really that I get that floats around in the space. What people mainly look for in this space is, what cryptocurrency should I invest in? What's like the best crypto? What's the next hot thing? What's the next gem that I need to find? Is it like a low market cap, below 1 million, below 10 million gem? Is it a top 50 gem? Is it like one of the top 5? Is it a protocol? Is it a blockchain? Is it a privacy coin? Is it an app token? What's the next? Look for the next Amazon, look for the next Facebook. So if you were to ask me what cryptocurrency you should invest in, do I have a particular type of cryptocurrency, particular buckets that I personally invest in cryptocurrencies? Yes, I do. I do, but more importantly for me, when I was getting started in cryptocurrency, I wasn't really sure what to do, and that was probably my best route to making some money in crypto, just following other people's advice. Let other people do all the homework, do all the research. I didn't have time for it or anything like that. I just want to make some money as quick as I can. Who's saying what to invest in? And to some degree that does kind of help, because especially you've got some really influential guys in social media that can literally speak cryptocurrency into fame and are effectively kingmakers. So that, in a sense, I don't knock that strategy. I don't knock why people do that. I did that, and the reason why is it was quick. It is a quick way to make money, but at the same time, people get things wrong. So when you call or make a call on a cryptocurrency, this is the next gem, this is the next top one, this is the next Ethereum or anything like that, and you get it wrong, then that's a hard pill to swallow. And it's very hard to step back in that and just be like, oh yeah, I'm only human, you should do your research as well, or I should do my own research. But so having gone through that and experienced that, I'm just like, man, I can't really rely on people just to pick the next gems. Or if you do, you got to have that shotgun approach to know that, okay, I know out of 10, 20 cryptos that I'm only going to maybe 1 or 2 winners. So if that's you, then there's nothing wrong with that, if that's your sort of spin or your sort of game. If you're asking me, what's the best cryptocurrency to invest in, or what I say, I think the most important question isn't what's the best cryptocurrency to invest in. Is that I'll more coin a phrase from Robert Kiyosaki at Rich Dad, which is, how good of an investor are you? Because that determines how good an investment is. So if you're good at investing, then an investment is more likely to be good. So it's just like I play basketball. If you want to play basketball, what's the better shot? A layup, a jump shot within the 3-point line, or a 3-pointer? What's the best shot? It depends on how good a shooter you are. If you're a great 3-pointer, take the 3. If you're great on the inside, take the jump shot. If you're great going to the hole, take the layup. So it really does depend on how good you are at that particular skill and how good you are as an investor. Now, what I mean by that is that, how do you know you're a good investor? Well, what's your end game? What percentage of your portfolio are you putting at risk? What percentage of your net worth are you putting at risk in cryptocurrency as a whole? What do you need this cryptocurrency to do? What are you looking to do? What's your exit? When are you looking to, what's the maximum loss that you're prepared to take? So bottom line, what I'm really asking is, what effectively is your plan? And how good are you at executing that plan? Because you see, if you have a solid plan that works and you're disciplined enough to execute on it, then there's 2,000 cryptocurrencies out there. There's enough opportunity out there for you to take advantage of. There's no shortage of opportunity to make money in cryptocurrency. But if you're asking what's the best cryptocurrency into investing, in my opinion, that's the wrong question. The right question is, how good of an investor are you? And so with that, what's your plan? and how good are you at executing it, because that will determine whether you make money or not. Because the truth is, it's not really about whether you're right or wrong in cryptocurrency. It's about making money. That's the main thing you want to focus on. When you get sucked into, oh, what's the best cryptocurrency to invest in and stuff, it's an ego trip. What am I going to get right as opposed to what am I going to get wrong? For me, the best approach, in my opinion, is what's going to help me make money. And the most important way and the most effective way to do that, in my opinion, is having a plan and being disciplined and prepared to execute. So that's my number one tip that I can give you with what's the best cryptocurrency to investing. So I hope that makes sense to you. I hope that you found that you've learned something. May not what you be expecting, but believe me, 100%, that's going to be worth much more to you than me telling you a cryptocurrency to invest in. Because it's not about being right or wrong, it's about making money in crypto. So thank you for watching the show. I hope you learned something here. Remember to tap that subscribe button, make sure you don't miss my next show, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.